I love you. I love you mean an Nuaacni in Nuer language. I love you. Hen Nuaacni. I stand for hen. Love mean nok, but in this basic phrases we say it because we are making a sentence. We say it Nuaca just for expression, and J mean you. But love as a word in Nuer language, it means nok. Okay, nok. It's different from Nuaacni, nok. But since we are making a sentence, so we use Nuaacni, Nuaca. I love you, hen Nuaacni. I mean hern. All right. So mean hern. Love mean nok, and you mean G. Or we can say simple jin. The real meaning is jin, but in making a sentence or a phrase, we use how the people communicate when they are communicating in Nuer language. And Nuaacni. Okay, I loved you, and Nuaacni. All right, but when we are using you as a word or a vocabulary, we can simply say it jin. But in talking, we don't use it jin. We say it G, like when we are making a sentence. But when you are pointing something out, okay, or you are being specific, we say jin, like jin. But here we are saying as a full sentence, we can say it hen Nuaacni. I love you. Hen Nuaacni. Hen Nuaacni. I love you. Hen Nuaacni. I love you.